Hello gang, this is just a quick tutorial about how to manage your Teams chat notifications. Maybe that's blowing up and irritating you. You're going to go to your class chat, over here Teams, all of your teams, whichever one you're wanting to change, click on it. I'm going to pick my personal economics block 2, and if you click these three dots in the upper right hand corner, and then you go to channel notifications, you can change the notifications right here when it dings, when it pops things up. Seems lagged. Hello! This tutorial is going to show you how to turn off all those annoying messages, pop-ups, dinging on your chats and Teams. You just start right here, whatever team you are trying to adjust the settings for, you're going to click on. I'm going to select my personal economics second block as an example. And when it goes into that main area, that general chat, you can come up here and click on yourself right here on your profile picture in the upper right hand corner, and you can change your settings. And then you're going to pick notifications over here, and you can turn all of this stuff off. Read through it and decide if you want it to pop up or if you want it to show only when it's mentioned you, things like that. You've got complete control over your own. And when you're done, I don't think there's a save or anything. You're done, you close the window, and that annoying stuff will just shut off then. Good luck.